Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Jo and today we are celebrating, or I am celebrating 3,000 subscribers to my channel. So it's all about thank you. I'm a little bit late doing this, to be honest, because I think I passed the 3,000 subscriber mark a few weeks ago, and it's just that it's taken a while to get the video done. So what we're going to do today, I do have a giveaway because I like giving presents, that will be at the end. I thought I would do a completely honest, haven't tidied up at all sewing room tour. So literally I've walked in, I've set my light up, and I'm going to show you how it is on an everyday basis. So this is the real stuff. This is how it actually is. I've done a sewing room tour before. Now nothing has changed in terms of the layout. Everything is still in the same place. Well, at least the furniture is. The mess is not. It's new mess. But so I'm not necessarily going to show you inside all of the cupboards because you can go back and watch that video. But I'll show you inside bits and pieces. But it's more kind of this is my warts and all. This is what it's like. So I will take you off your stand and let's have a look. So I'll just do a little turn around. So you have, that's the door into the sewing room with my dummy behind, and then behind me there's loads of stuff. We will do more detail than this. There's loads of stuff behind there. There is a cat on the ironing board. There is someone with a jigsaw on half of my cutting table, and turn around, computer, window, light, keep going around, tripod where it normally is, machines where the magic happen, and we are all the way back to what you normally see. So you can see how clever I am, that normally I can cover up the chaos because I film with this behind me, but that's not what we're going to do today. So I'm going to turn you around and I'll show you what's going on. So first of all, my desk with machines. We've got a jumper stuffed next to it that I want to alter, but I don't know what I want to do. Half-made t-shirt that I can't decide whether it's sized for me or sized for one of the children, so it's got stuck. I keep all my machines on quite a small desk. It works for me because it means I can pull them forwards and backwards and not have to move things around. So when I originally planned this out, I thought, oh, is that going to be too small? But actually it works. There's a hole down the back there approximately that you can't see, that most of the wires go down. Some of them go down there. We've got lipstick out because honestly I put it on to film. I was not wearing lipstick on a Sunday morning. That's not how my life is. We've got trailing wires. Now I have told you a lie because I did do one thing to tidy up, which was this bin was full of scraps which are now in that plastic bag. I had to tidy it up because the scraps were so overflowing, they'd gone over the extension cable. So that was a safety issue. What have we got here? We have a discarded jumper from one of the children. I'm not going to show you a lot of the desk because that's actually not sewing stuff. That's studying and work and things. What have we got here? We've got a random wire discarded on my rotary cutter. The actual sewing project is fairly neat and tidy because I'm not at the cutting out stage. I'm currently making the emoji trousers with a nice shadow on it from Seam Work, and it's the third time I've made these and I like them, and they're kind of a hanging around the house trousers or a really casual, maybe pop down the shops trousers. And it's in, let me show you the fabric. There you go. It's in kind of a purple, yeah, purple marl colour fabric that I will tell you about in a fabric haul video coming up very soon. What else have we got? We've got some fray check left out from my last project. We've got some fabric that I was pondering on whether to make something with it, so it's just got left out. Magazine under there. Someone's homework. My husband has commandeered half of the cutting table. What we normally do, if you see this, normally if he's got a jigsaw on the go and I want to use the whole table, that tablecloth which is on this half, I can spread it over the whole half and then I can still use the cutting table, or at least I could if there weren't bits of old computer on the other end of the cutting table. So that's how that is. That's the state of my fabric stash shelves at the moment. They're well, it's not, it could be worse, but the start of this year I had them all categorized and labeled, and then I've sewn with things and I've pulled things out and I've put things back, so I could do with going through everything. On the iron we have a cat. Hello, Maria. Hello. Hello, Buzz Buzz. Yeah, she's doing a very important job of making sure that the rest of the emoji trousers that I'm sewing don't blow away, because obviously that's a very distinct possibility, isn't it, Puss Puss? Yeah. So she needs to lie on top of them at all times, just in case there's an emergency. That does mean they'll be really hairy when I come back to sew with them, but that's how we roll around here, isn't it? Yeah. She's called Maria because she's black, but she's got a little white collar under here, a little furry white collar, not this real collar, but a furry collar. So she's like Maria from The Sound of Music. Her singing's not quite so good. Puss, puss, puss. So that's Maria. We've got 3 cats. Oh, she's going to fall over. Uh-oh. Hey, Puss. That's my pin cushion. If they're given half a chance, the cats eat the pins, which is an interesting hobby they have. This is, all sorts of stuff, I was going to swear then, all sorts of stuff get put on here. We've got pattern envelopes. I've been thinking about storing my patterns differently, but clearly I don't have enough space. I mean, I've got patterns in other places too, but yes, that's not the neatest. I've got a birthday present, a journal, which is marvellous. And it's just been discarded on the side here at the moment. This is my not sure where things are going yet spot. Some shoes that I want to dye, a hat that I made a year ago, some water to go in the ironing machine. No, it's just an iron. A skirt and some trousers that are waiting to be altered. A bag full of old bras that someone gave me so that I can get the bits and pieces off them and maybe use them. So yeah, my knitting is also somewhere else entirely in the house. I think it's in the lounge. There's my tailor's dummy, camera tripods behind there, and then the tidy bit that I show you on a regular basis is here, is the cupboards, and then we go all the way around and we've got the light that I use. So I'll turn you back round, put you back on your tripod, there you go, focus you back on my face, hello. So there you go, that is, if you ever wonder, is it really always that tidy? Well, it's often like this. It gets worse. So if I'm in a cutting out phase, it gets worse. There can often be all 4 of us in the family in here at once in various places, and then it's a big room, so it's not cramped. But yeah, this is medium mess stage, I would say. So, giveaway. Right. The exciting giveaway I have for you is some free seam work patterns. Any pattern of your choice. So to say thank you for subscribing to my channel and for watching and for making me so happy with your generous comments and basically just being amazing human beings that exist out there and spend some time with me, we have some free seam work patterns. Now what you have to do to enter the giveaway is very simple. You send me an email to this email address down here, joeysewy@gmail.com, and I'll pick someone at random. I've got 2 patterns to give away, so 2 patterns to 2 different people. How it will work is when I've chosen, I'll email you, you choose your pattern, and I'll send you it. Simple as that. So these, just in case you think I'm going to be sending you patterns that I already own, which would be a little bit dishonest if it's a digital download. I've got credits on my account, so you tell me what you want, I will download them, I will send you them. That is how it's going to work. So Seamwork will receive full credit and payment for the patterns. I won't be sending you something that I already own dishonestly. So that is the video for today. Thank you very much for watching as ever. If you're not a subscriber yet, then come on in and join the party. It would be lovely to have you. I'll put some links as ever to videos here, and I will see you again next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.